Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim a reward on the Pocket Love Good Life Sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the to-do list icon at the lower left corner of the screen. And here you can find your task, and if you end a task, just click to the claim reward option. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.